because he, ladies and gentlemen, quote unquote, is a man of the hour. He has gone through everything that you don't have to go through. That is why he is doing all of this, because he has gone through all the challenges, all the dirt that you can possibly creep through, and he has come out successful. He has emerged victorious. He has emerged a champion, because even through all the loss and heartbreak and downfalls, he found the strength within himself to keep going and achieve success. You could say he is a true pillar of success, not just for ILTS Overseas Education Private Limited, but he is the pillar of success of all the successful students that have gone through ILTS Overseas Education and earned a fabulous life in New Zealand. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a man who really is a pillar of strength. Ladies and gentlemen, the CEO, founder of ILTS Overseas Education Private Limited, Mr. Videendra